too late. I can't forget you. I'm down inside of me. So close.
What's up, YouTube? Nick Shop here, and my brother is Mike's How To.
How's it going?
Cleaning the garage up because we got a special surprise, which that's gonna be in a later video. Here is Michael's 1963. Man, that thing looks sharp.
Airplane feel.
Yep, airplane feel, racing feel, same thing. Basically, it's the same thing, but it's not really jet fuel. It's just like a different fuel they burn too as well. And garage is a little bit neater, tidier up, but where is the motor at, you say?
But Mr. Heavy Chevy don't have shit on me because my bench is more messier than his.
Because even my bench is messy. What the hell?
I know.
And then table, bench, all the way to but as you can see, Mike's How To. There it is. My small block 350. Going to the machine shop tomorrow morning. I can't wait. It's gonna get 420 over. It's gonna have the cam bearings pushed out, put mine in there. I gotta take my pistons with me and my old pistons with me, and then everything be set and ready to go. Yeah, it's just gonna get 420 over, so it's gonna make it a 353 small block. Nothing special. The reason why I'm going 20 over, you can go 10 over, you can go 30 over, or 10, 20, 30, 60. I don't know why I'm taking 40. It's kind of weird, though.
Yeah, you can go 40.
I was gonna say, I'm pretty sure they don't go 40. It's just too bad, then 60. But the reason why I'm going 20 over, so that way I get more life out of this block. I just don't want to go ahead and bore it 30 over. Say like years down the road, I want to take it back and I can bore it 30 over. Then later on, once it gets wore out some more, I can always bore it 20, 40 to 60 over. That way it'll give me years on end. But as long as you take care of your motor, it takes care of you. I kinda need to do that. Tear down the motor.
That's what we did.
Huh?
We did tear it down.
No, not this one. I mean the Suburban, but the Suburban one, it already runs and drives and.
Yeah, we're going to.
So thanks for watching this part, and let's see what comes next. What's this new project that me and my brother's Mike's How To is going to do? Well, that's our cousin's truck, Aaron's. We are going to fix back up. Now, the radiator support is brand new. The fenders, are they original to the truck or newer?
They're original.
Original to the truck. The inner fenders are brand new. And the hood's original. See, right there is the carburetor. Ta-da!
The one that came off the Suburban.
Yep, the one came off my Suburban.
Charles.
Yeah, just with a troll. Look, there it is. I bet you feel pretty stupid now. I'm trying to make fun of my vehicle and my carburetor. Oh, you rebuilt it 2 times already. What the? I rebuilt because I bought a cheap gasket set and I found out the hard way, and then I went out and spent $50 and got the right one. And now it's fixed. And now I got a new carburetor. Look at that. The cab is even original. Did some work on it though, we did. She's gonna get reupholstered and everything. We're just gonna fix it up for him and get it back on the road. Now this is a 71. Okay. Man, that engine really does justice on this camera. Holy crap, it looks pink, but it's actually orange. Whoop. It looks like it glows. The cab is original to us, right? Oh, okay. I'm sorry. Then the cab is a different cab.
It's different. It's okay.
It looks like the same one because it's blue too on the inside.
It's the same one.
I was about to say. The bed's different. The cab is the same, but the bed is all new. Let's.
You know,
Yeah, he paid $100 for it, and
Indiana.
yeah. Only thing we have to do is just fix this little part. Goes
The
down.
16-year-old kid had this and wrapped it around the tree. That's where we got the bed from.
Yeesh. Probably texting and driving or talk on the phone. Oh, that's it. Well, yeah.
He had a 383 stroke right there.
Shame.
Yeah, I wanted to buy the engine, but the guy's putting in another. He's building a hot rod.
Oh, his dad?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, the guy bought the truck. He bought it for parts because the kid wrapped it around the tree and shit.
Oh, I got you. Okay.
When he wrapped it, that's why the back of the tailgate got hit.
Or
the back of the box, I should say.
as far as the kid made it.
Yeah.
Lucky to be
It was
alive.
a nice fucking gorgeous truck. Rust-free, California truck.
Kids these days. Looks good though. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Hey, Aston. Say bye, YouTube. And there's Kate and Buddy. Hi, Kate. Hi, Kayla. Where's Charlie at?
Right there beside you. Oh, right there in front of you.
Oh, he's hiding. And yes, there are 3 Cub Cadets on each patio right now. My 100 is right there. My 127 and the 147. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. 27 in the morning. Alright, here's my pistons. Ready to go. Box way up there. And Michael's getting ladder pistons out. And we I was gonna edit this video together, but instead the power goes out, so my computer's out. Okay. Let's go see what he's doing. Boy, look at that mess.
I know.
Smiling your own video though.
How's it going, YouTube? Getting Nick's engine parts out. Your small blocks man, ends up like my big block.
Yep.
Man, I hope I can get it all.
Now since I'm gonna save some money and reuse the rods,
Yeah.
would he clean them up and actually install them on the new pistons?
Uh-huh.
Really?
Yep.
Good. Cause that way I don't have to do it myself.
No, we can't install that shit.
Huh?
We don't have a thing for that.
I know.
What they do, they heat up the rod.
Yeah.
I watched them do it on mine.
Basically like a heat test?
No.
No?
They heat up this rod up in here. And then this thing, and they press this out, and then they have enough time to put the new piston on there and press it in.
Oh, that's how that works.
Yeah. Then when it cools down, it's already set.
Oh, okay.
This is already.
We did number them, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Sweet.
We ain't no dummies.
I know, I was just messing around.
This ain't my first rodeo, but.
Let's see, I remember you had that 383 stroker in that Malibu, yeah. That thing was a beast. Oh, did you watch what's his name? DIY Mischief last night?
No, dude, I went to bed last.
He went.
After
He
we
went.
loaded this up, I took a shower and I went to bed.
Okay, he went live last night.
Oh, did he?
Yep. At 1 o'clock in the morning.
Oh, 1 o'clock?
Yeah.
I was already out.
Yeah, I was still awake. He's I don't know if it's his son or friend. I didn't want to ask, but I'm just guessing.
Right.
And I guess they built a 383 stroker to try and get it tuned and everything like that.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's just sweet fibered though. Well, thanks for watching this part, and we'll see you guys later.